Hello everyone, welcome to Top Market Reviews. Today we are here with the second review of Affiliate Millionaire, and we are going to see how Tom went from a newbie to a millionaire in just 1 year. Affiliate Millionaire program is simple. Step-by-step how to successfully launch an affiliate business. Said by Dr. Harlan Kielstein, who is a marketing expert over $100 million in sales. Ignore the social media fake it till you make it attitude. Screw the Lambo. On social media we see the perfect life. But honestly, do you really actually believe it? Yes, the people posing beside the Lamborghinis, staying at the perfect holiday resort, looking cool, wearing designer label clothes. Come on, that's not what happens in real life. I think the cold hard truth is, many are living paycheck to paycheck, wondering how they are going to pay next month's rent. Or worse still, even afford the weekly food bill. I love starting and testing new Clickbank campaigns. I do $1,000 to $2,000 a day. How does that sound? These are real results. Money buys you freedom. Screw the gurus' Lamborghinis. Isn't freedom to do what you want, when you want, not more important? Escape the rat race. Imagine not having to submit your life to the grind of the dreaded rat race, working a 9 to 5 till the day you die. Take the morning off. Want to lie in bed? Take the morning off and just go for a morning coffee in the sunshine. You can do that. See your kids grow up. Imagine getting to see your kids grow up in their youngest years and not missing those most important moments. Look after your health. Imagine having money for health care for your family and loved ones. Choice of freedom. Imagine choosing to do what you want, when you want. To me, that is truly the ultimate affiliate lifestyle. Imagine not having to waste your time. No more writing blog posts. No more organic reach FB posts that. No closed down ad accounts. No more faking it till you make it. No more wasting hours on endless free traffic loopholes that never work. Trust me, I've tried most of the above, and all it did was make me more frustrated and angry. I use a simple single quote 4-step cycle formula. 1. Pick the product. 2. Drive traffic. 3. Send to the lander. 4. Collection. Once I'm happy, we start scaling to $5,000 to $10,000 per day. Watch this video from link given in description. Andrew interviews Thomas on escaping the 9 to 5 corporate rat race to affiliate millionaire at 34 years old. How he has even moved to the country of his dreams. Are you finally ready to get the ultimate no-BS guide on affiliate marketing? Thomas flew over to my $1 million beach house. We locked the doors, shut out the world, and created one of the best beginner to super affiliates courses ever. Believe it or not, Tom really went from a newbie to a millionaire by promoting super simple products. Are you excited to know more? Then stay tuned for my final review of Affiliate Millionaire that will be uploaded tomorrow. Also, if you like this video, hit the subscribe button so that I can come up with more wonderful reviews in the next videos.